city, we were here, as I said earlier, we were not here to tell us that that trade is on loss, the tourism sector is on loss. Losses come and go, business come and go. That's not the point of motto. The main motto is that we want to give a strong message to the entire country that we are also Indians. We condemn whatever has happened. It is inhuman. We are not with it. But simultaneously, we were here because a lot of Kashmiri students study in other parts of the country. We assure that they should be given the proper security and all. And apart from that, they should feel that if somebody is in Kashmir, our shikara walas, our restaurants, our hotels, they all opened their doors for the visiting tourists here. There are a lot of videos in the media which are saying that they feel safe. They feel safe and secure in Kashmir. There was somebody offering them the dinner, somebody offering lunch, somebody offering free ride to the restaurants, somebody offering the free lunch at restaurants, somebody offering the free ride to the airport. We want the same to replicate in other parts of country. The students who are studying in other parts of the country, they should also, at least if they will not get the free ride to the airport, but at least they should feel secure in their colleges and respective colleges. Around 14 cases has been, we have got around 14 cases from across the country from various colleges where these students are feeling traumatized. They have been threatened, and we want that the respective state governments, and we request the Honorable Home Minister and the Prime Minister of this country to please own Kashmiris as well, like we own the people who visit to this country. I think Rahul Gandhi was very cordial enough, and he responded to every question asked to him, and he has assured us that he will be, putting forward whatever has happened, whatever has missed in yesterday's meeting with the Honorable Prime Minister and Home Minister of the country. He has taken note of those, and he has assured us that whatever has been said in the complete meeting, he will take up the matter with the respective. Did he discuss? But to my question, what I asked Rahul ji, the question regarding the safety and security of the students, he said that he has already discussed that. That was the only thing what he responded to it. Because in the last 30 years, we have seen everything. We have seen Pulwama, we have seen Chhattis Singhpura, we have seen a lot of things. Kashmiris are peace lovers. Let us give the message to the world through the media that we love peace. We always are known the best hospitable people in the world. Let people know that, and this is the right time. And in fact, we have shown it on the very next day. Every Kashmiri was on the road. Every Kashmiri was protesting. If at all